Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Mary, and this is my channel Brown Queendom. I am doing a very quick get ready with me, and I just wanted to show y'all how I style my hair using EdenBodyWorks products. I'm just refreshing everything. I am due for my wash day, but I have a lot going on today, and I wasn't going to be able to get it all done, so I decided I'm not even going to stress myself out about that. So first I'm going to go in with this. This is the hair tonic. It's the Honey Hibiscus Hair Tonic, which is basically like a hair vitamin. You can use it daily. You just spritz it, and it smells so good. And it really gives your hair a very nice light coat of moisture. I say light because I wouldn't say like it can replace a leave-in conditioner. Maybe if you have a looser texture than I do, but for me and the girls or anyone with thicker hair, I wouldn't say this could replace a leave-in. But it definitely softens my hair. I can feel my hair is super soft already from that little bit. You can see the difference. You can actually see it's visibly softer. Okay, and then after that I'm going to go in with the hydration custard. It's also the Honey Hibiscus line. It looks like this. And this is what it's like. It's actually a very soft cream. I thought it was gonna be harder, but no, it's soft. I thought it was gonna be like a pomade because I don't know, but it's soft and it actually also moisturizes the hair, softens the hair. It says designed for thicker textures, wavy, curly, and kinky to lock in moisture. It gives definition and adds shine. Make sure my ends are detangled because I am flat twisting and I need it to be detangled to prevent any snags when I get started. It's very clear. It's a thicker one, but as soon as you apply it, it doesn't leave like that waxy feeling. I actually really enjoy using this for my edges or for like a slick ponytail. It gets the job done too. So I'm just gonna rub that together and then take it and slide it onto my edges to get started. I don't know why I do it that way, but it works. So I'm gonna do the same thing up here because I do want this to be smooth as well. I should have did the back there, but I did it on that side, but it's cool. Next I'm gonna take my soft brush. I gotta hurry up. And I am going to brush everything where I want it to be, where I would like it to be, because you all know that hair is gonna do what it want to do. Alright, so that's all for that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started twisting, flat twisting. bye.